data. Which unfortunately means generating Twitter embed icons, generating I'm just gonna call it icons. There's two. There's like the graph, and there's also Twitter, I think. And then we need to deploy. So not that much. Minnow size, let's make these, we'll call this title size, minnow size, text, / info size. That's doable. That's doable. I don't hate that. I'll be right back. I'm gonna grab one of the Queen of Mons we made for a snack, because I'm starting to get hungry, but I don't want to break for dinner until this is done. I'm allowed to get dinner after we deploy. Okay. Oh. Ah! Need a napkin. Queen of Mons are sticky. I forget how media queries work. at media width Wait a second. Let's see. What's 1920? It's 960, I think. Ah! What I'm looking for here is this guy. Let's see. 1920 times 0.45 is 864. Hero minnow width 75%. There he goes. 1920 or 1200 for, yeah. Our social links, heading, I'll do margin bottom. You know what? It's body. It's on the body. Oh, he's too big. He's too big. Mm. You made some bratwurst? I'm jealous. Bratwurst sounds amazing. Jealous, jealous, jealous. Hero box. There we go. We can go hero box in here. And our font size is going to get slightly smaller. Call it 1.6. And our padding will get a little less. Like that. Sub roll. Side of broccoli salad. That sounds good. What's this look on a 1080p screen? He's still a little bit big on 1080p. I think I'm going to crop him in paint.net because he has quite a bit of headroom. This that's essentially 1080p. The Labyrinth is a culinary club run on Discord and Twitch. Each month, the cooking sets a challenge. This doesn't have to be perfect either. We can make updates, but I think that gets to check off title size. We didn't adjust. Oh yeah, do we want to make the title slightly smaller? I don't know. Well, into the Labyrinth. All right. Minimum size, text and info size. All right, we've done that. Page metadata. Take us to... what is happening? Welcome to the labyrinth. Dash clutching alligators. Not sure what that is. What's happening up in here? Okay. Did I? Hang on, I gotta check my email. Ugh. Okay. Let's just put it like that. And if we go to index, maybe it's app. Maybe we do it in app. Use SEO meta. Title. Welcome to the labyrinth. Og title. Welcome to the labyrinth. Description. Og description. All right, so we need to make an OGG image, an Open Graph image, and a Twitter card. The two annoying things. Twitter card image size 800 by 4. Good God. All right, well. 800 by 418. Let's take our minnow. No. Let's take this minnow. Nope, I didn't want to do that. Left side is 149. It's 800 minus 511 over 2, 144. There we go. Labyrinth, KG website, app, assets, SEO. Next, use SEO meta with assets. Do I have to put it in the public folder, or do I got to put it in the assets folder? That's the real question. Why do you need a 3-minute tutorial? Just I don't know. That's not answering my question. I have a feeling it's not going to work. But OGG image dimensions. We can move them if we need to. File, new. Oops, sorry. File. Close that. New. 1200 by 630. Fill that black. Add a new layer. Grab our Kitchen Gladiator logo. Paste. Keep size, shrink down. My 767, so 1200 minus 767 over to 216. Save this. PNG, OG image. Flatten. OG image is /SEO/ OG image.png. I'm going to put a dash there. Twitter card. Oh. Summary, large image. Twitter image. All right, whatever, we'll do that. Welcome to the labyrinth. Are you fucking kidding me? It doesn't resolve the URL to the base? Whatever. Oh my god. abs://labyrinth.food/SEO. There we go. All right, be happy now. All right, so next is deploying. So let's go to Netlify. Log in with my GitHub. I thought I already logged in with my GitHub. Oh yes, yes I do. I have. I probably should have made a commit earlier in the day, but whatever. Initial commit. Let's go to github.com and create ourselves a new repository. We'll call this Kitchen Gladiators website. Hit It's a private repo. Sorry, everyone. Create a repository. Git push -u origin main. Git branch -m main. Here we go. And now we go into here and we say add a new project. Import an existing project from GitHub. But I already did this, whatever. Kitchen. Gladiator's website. Gladiators. Branch deploy, base directory. Let's see what happens. Project deploy in progress. We're building. Building is happening. All right, well, open up production. And there it is. So now we just need to assign our domains. Add a domain. Add a domain I already own. Labyrinth.food. Hit the verify button. Add domain. Awaiting external. Okay, options. So what do I do? Recommended. Fallback. All right, so log into my account. Go to manage labyrinth.food. Advanced DNS. There we go. All right. What are we doing here? First, we're going to blow out this thing. Delete that record. Why, yes. Yes, I would. Add a new record. An alias record. Point alias A name or flatten C name record to Apex. Okay. The fuck? No, you don't need a sub-host. Step 1. Add domain. Enter verify. Next, confirm add domain. Update your DNS configuration. Go to the DNS provider. Based on the contact provider, add a new DNS. Create an A record. I don't want to do an A record. I want to do the alias. You told me to do the alias. What the hell's wrong with you people? Update your documentation. It says I don't need this. So stop asking me for it and just accept it. Fucking shit. Their own goddamn support says you don't need it. That makes it possible to alias the root domain. Well, then why are you asking me for a host? Value must not be provided. You don't need it. You don't need it. Unbelievable. Oh, you do an @ sign, I guess? Okay, add a new record. We need a CNAME now. www. Why is that time to live so short? Oh well. What happens if I go to labyrinth.food now? Okay, we're unsecured. We're so close. I did. I added the CNAME record. It's right there. Goddamn time to live. Bad DNS for custom domain? The fuck does that mean? We can't provision a circuit into your DNS is configured. The fuck are you talking about? Try replacing it with 8.8.8.8. If you already changed your DNS configuration, allow up to 24 hours. I'm in a hurry, motherfucker. I mean, the food doesn't appear to be served by... The fuck are you... What are you doing? Is it going to redirect back? Come on! What? Does this need to be /public, I wonder? Goddamn shit. Oh, it liked it that time. Mysterious things happened. We'll just wait on that. I'm trying, Mr. Step 3. But wait, it got the... Oh no, that's a screenshot. So wait, how do I get to the... Oh, there's that one. Did I not update the file name? Oh, it's OG image. Hooray! Okay, well, it's available unsecured. So we got that going for us. And I think if I just give it a second, it's gonna ping pong and do the thing. What if I do www.labyrinth.food? Oh. I wonder how long that takes. Who knows? But I think that that technically checks off our last box here. Hooray! It's published. It's doing the thing. Are there analytics? No. Is this the final design? No. Is the Instagram on it? No. But it is published. Are you done now? Ayo, we got HTTPS. Look at that. So now, let's do a little test here. I thought it would load the metadata that we did. The links go where they're supposed to. Oh. But, like, we got a lot set up today, so we're going to be able to do, we'll be able to tweak it easier. We found the fonts. I really like these fonts. Thank you for helping with the fonts. We got a little bit of a style to it. I don't know. It's not perfect, but I don't think it's ugly. It's a little amateur, but I'm gonna send it to Saren. Whew. All right. I can rest easy. And now to do the other thing I was supposed to do today, which was work on Spellcast. But I'm gonna get dinner first. What am I gonna do for dinner? It only took 6.5 hours to finish up. That was a bit longer than I thought. I honestly thought I was gonna be done. I thought this was a 3-hour job. But the fonts were an endeavor. I'm really glad we got those sorted. We got stuck on like possibly a 45-minute Instagram detour. I'm gonna look up that behold.so. I'm gonna bookmark this over on my setup because I think I just have to use them to get the Instagram stuff to feed properly. Which, a bummer, but that's all right. The sort of next level to this. Let me go there. The sort of next level to this is add a little more info down here. Have like, I eventually want. Let's see, is it AoE world? AoE 4 world type format that will solve everything. So my friend's big into Age of Empires, and they have like this website that tracks their leaderboards, and I can't remember if this is the one. They have one that will automatically detect if the people playing are live on Twitch, and then like link their VOD, so you can like if the game was streamed, it will like timestamp the VOD and everything, so you can jump right to the VOD of the game. And I want to like archive all of the Kitchen Gladiators submissions onto our own database, and like have VODs and like YouTube videos that link to them if people are making them, or like Instagram posts and stuff like that. So you'd like have all that data encapsulated, and then have like the monthly challenge up there. Screw and scream, hire that guy. Right? Like, the amount of infrastructure they put in place is a little crazy. Let's see. Can I get to one that he had this, I guess... Is there any with the... Yeah, see, like, look at this. They got this little button here, and if you click that, it takes you to the VOD timestamped. Which is insane. So having like that for the post, but you know, obviously we're not a ranked competition, but archiving people's photos, you can see go back through the months and stuff like that. So we'll get there. Maybe recipe links. People like, if I upgrade the Discord bot so you can like post your recipe. The point is, we have a custom Discord bot going out to a database, and then we can pull from that database and put it on a web page. Which is why I went to all the trouble to make this thing in Vue instead of like using like I don't know, Squarespace or some shit. Also, aside from the brain cell cost of the past 6 hours, it's free. We're up there for free. I'm gonna try all the food. I do think it would be fun to do a sort of like offshoot, which is like a head-to-head, you know? Like gladiator fight pit, where we get 2 kitchen gladiators that like do make the same thing or something like that. As like a special collab stream. Have sabotages or something. I don't know. Those types of streams are hard depending on people's setups. That reminds me, I was supposed to contact someone about the next demo, and I didn't do that. God, I'm really falling behind. Chopped style event. I've never actually seen Chopped. What's the format? Format. In each episode, 4 chefs compete in a 3-round contest for unusual combinations of ingredients into dishes. They're later evaluated by a panel of 3 judges. Entree and dessert. Huh. Yeah, something like that. Some sort of reality competition, food competition show kind of thing. Have the Minotaur yelling at him. Okay. Let's find someone to raid to. I'm going to get dinner. It's 8:30. I'm still going to write code after dinner, but... Who's on Twitch? What's in my fridge? Not... Oh! I totally forgot. I totally have dinner. The other day when Walter was here, we went to a really classic Knish place. deli. These things. And I got one, and they could either heat them up for you, or they could just sell them to you like cold to heat up later. I have a mushroom knish in my fridge that I will be eating. Gonna toss it in the oven. I totally forgot. Thank you for reminding me. I would have gone out. I don't know. I might make some broccoli or something to go on the side. Just a bowl of broccoli. Hit it with some salt and garlic powder and olive oil and shit. You know what I'm talking about. Just sprinkle all the good shit on there. Okay. Now I'm excited. Where are we going? Unfortunately, we didn't do any castmate work on this castmate stream, so that's a bit of a bummer. It's alright, Kitchen Gladiators is important. Hey, you forgot about this. I hydrated. So, like 4 sips. Well, I guess if we were working on Kitchen Gladiator stuff, we should go to a Kitchen Gladiator. Merbakes is a Kitchen Gladiator, is she not? Has she joined yet? Mer has not joined yet. But that's alright. Anyone else on... I think Merbakes is the closest we're going to get. Let's go raid Mer. What's she working on? Toe bean assembly. Let's go to Merbakes. She's always doing interesting pastry stuff anyway. Plus, maybe this will persuade her to become a Kitchen Gladiator, you know? That's effective marketing. We gotta bring people in. Gotta vacuum them into the fold. Alright, well, I'll be back on tomorrow. Hopefully, we'll be doing a little castmate work tomorrow. My new counter got delivered. All the pieces are finally here, so maybe tomorrow will just be an assembly stream for that, which is going to be a lot of work, but it needs to be done. We're getting rid of a shelf. I gotta pull out my AC unit, put in the counter, assemble the counters, cut the new countertop, and then drop it all together. So, you know, that's a whole day's worth of work if I've ever heard it. But hoping you get a little started early, like at like 10 or 11 a.m. instead of 2 in the afternoon. But today I had a really slow start. I'll see you all tomorrow. Oh, wait. Wait, she just ended. Wait, she just ended. Oh no. She's offline. Oh my god, she just ended 5 seconds before we read it out. Well. Shit. Oh no, we're gonna snooze that ad. There's kitchen view. You can go to kitchen view. Dang it! Yeah, what's Snot up to? Let's go say hi to Snot Rocket. He's not doing food and drink, but he's still a kitchen gladiator. I don't know what he's playing here. Who's at the door? Oh, he's taking pills! Oh god! I don't know what this is. Anyway, I'm just gonna hit the raid button because I said all this stuff. We'll be doing some assembly tomorrow. Some assembly required, some assembly tomorrow. See you all later. Good night. Goodbye.